Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Ford S-Max Titanium. This car comes with the 2.5 hybrid petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing a healthy 187 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 44 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 21 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 24,000 miles and comes with full Ford service history. The black metallic paintwork looks in great condition for age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got a nice clean interior. There's a big armrest there in the centre and two cup holders for the front passengers. Being the Titanium, the car comes with many features, which include the satellite navigation, Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth there on the multimedia screen. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. Cruise control there on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. The S-Max is a great car for the family. So as well as being a seven-seater, you've got a good amount of legroom and headroom there on the centre bench. Ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has three individual seat belts and rear passengers have their own charging ports there in the centre as well. As I previously mentioned, being a seven-seater, you've got your third row that can be folded out the floor there in the back. So I've left one up to show you as an example at the moment. But obviously these can be folded down to create a really good size boot as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you'd like to book a test drive, our phone number is 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.